There's also, pop culture associated with AI. And if you're in the finance space, you see a lot of the next wave, the next wave, the next wave. And the narrative around the next wave is it sounds like a really, really difficult science project. I got to buy six computers. They got to, be blocked off. I got to, subscribe to six different versions of AI. And then I got to give it all of my information. And then somehow I'm supposed to figure out that this is better than the way I used to do it. And even to me, that sounds fairly complicated. In fact, it sounds so complicated that I kind of don't want to do it. Like I know it's the next wave, but it makes me kind of hold off on how deep should I really get into this. And the underlying reality here with Arch Public is that's quite literally the opposite of what we do. We pride ourselves on having a real serious service and communications team here at Arch Public. Even if you sign up for the free version of our product, you can have ongoing, continuing conversations and education sessions with our teams that will be meaningful to you. Like, we're not just going to send you two brick computers and say, hey, flip it on and figure it out after the fact. That's not what we do here. It's important that people understand that service and being able to get a hold of an actual human, which is very difficult to do in the world of crypto and at any crypto company. We do the opposite. We want you to be able to talk to us, spend time with us, and learn as we learn. So I just want to make sure that's clear. Tillman, any thoughts on that as we've grown as a company?
Well, I think it's just a big black eye of the industry, if you will. If you've been in the sector for any period of time, you know that it's almost impossible to get any guidance. You have been forced to kind of search out back channel forums and other things that are unreliable at best. I think that getting a group of people that are so knowledgeable about the space at your beck and call, that are eager to serve you and eager to give you the best information that they have, is something that we've had a great deal of response